Case study on Neoclassical architecture. The Neoclassical architecture is an architecture style produced by the Neoclassical movement that began in mid-18th century in Italy and France. The first topic is history. There is a Neoclassical architecture, a specific style and movement in the late 18th century and early 19th century that was specifically associated with the enlargement and empiricism and study of site by early archaeologists. The style is manifested both in its detail as a reaction against the Rococo style of naturalistic ornaments. Its most prominent and iconic architectural style in the Western world. The next topic is the architect. There are three famous architects who developed the neoclassical architecture. The first one is the architect Andrea Palladio. In Europe, the first phase of neoclassicism was influenced by the books of Italian Renaissance and architect Andrea Palladio in 16th century. Architect Andrea Palladio is basically Italian architect. In 18th century, in Europe, architecture of the 18th century most widely represented in Palladian architecture in British and Ireland. The name refers to design of the 16th century Venetian architect Andrea Palladio. The next architect is the architect Robert Adam. In the second half of the 18th century, Robert Adam the first popularized as a simple. He is basically from 18th century. Robert Adam was one of the most important British architects working in the neoclassical style, a movement in decorative and visual art that drew inspiration from the classical art and culture of ancient Greece and Rome. The third architect is architect George. Both Palladian and Adam variation of the neoclassicism are also referred in the term of the reigning monarch in 18th and 19th century as a Georgian. The next topic is characteristics. The high neoclassicism was an international movement. Neoclassical ideas in architecture spread quickly throughout the Europe. Emphasize its planar quality, neoclassical architecture have clean, elegant lines and uncultured appearance. It has the freestanding columns and in symmetrical in shape. It has triangular pediment and massive heights. Roofs are usually flat and horizontal and often is visible from the ground. Building facades is a flat and long with the freestanding columns. Exterior was built in such a way as represented the classical perfection. The next is the doors and windows were built to represent the perfection. Neoclassicism is the purity of the art of Rome. That's it for the neoclassical architecture. Thank you.